Okay, so I have my coconut milk already in my mixing bowl, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking cocoa and about half a cup of icing sugar. You can put more if you want to. I mean, it's all based on your own personal tastes. And now I'm just gonna whisk this and mix it all together until there's no lumps whatsoever. Okay, a quick tip about the coconut milk. Make sure you are using the purest coconut milk that you can get. This one has a lot of extra stuff in it, and I tried using this to make this lovely dessert, and it didn't set at all. So it was more just like a sauce, even after a full day in the refrigerator. You definitely want to use something like this, where you can see there's only 2 ingredients, and the largest ingredient is coconut milk at 99.95%. Okay, that is all nicely mixed together. Now I'm just gonna grab a smaller bowl and dump it all in. I mean, you don't have to do this, but I just like using my lovely Star Wars bowl because it has a lid on it. Okay, grab my lid, pop the lid on, and now I'm gonna pop it in the fridge and just let it set for about an hour. And it is set, and la la la, you can put fruit on this, nuts on this, whatever you want, or just plain. It is so good. It is so creamy. It is just, oh, and you know what? I'm gluten-free, lactose-free, and have some serious tummy issues, and I never have a problem with this, so definitely give it a try. It is delicious, not so much nutritious, but it is delicious.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.